Morning, guys. So we're here na po in the property. Today is Sunday. I'm gonna do a lot of cleaning. Maybe later we mag-church in the afternoon downtown. So I'm gonna clean that part today. I'm gonna burn that, and then so we're planning to develop this area into like outdoor garden, and then mura siya og hangout tanan. So magsugba mi today, guys. Oops. Nga na namang kitchen today, but that's fine. So, anhimi din sa among little kamalig. Ako mga plant diri. Like katul, guys, kadagang lamok. Yeah. Ako mga little flowers here. And then so maghangout ko din here every afternoon. I have my music. So here. Nami table para din himi mag-eat. And then, ay gamay bangko. This chair, this bench, gikan pa na siya sa rest house akong dad. Yeah. Ano siya nabilin. May gamay flower here. Everything's still work in progress. So, don't expect something good nga nice. Simple or good kayo ni. Nana siya new leaf. Hello, new leaf. Very pretty new leaf, guys. Among mama hen rearrange. Wheel of love. So nag-prepare me og grill. Preparing the grill because magsugba mi today. So wait for the update. Just stay tuned. Magsugba mi today. So muna mo ang hangoutan here. So temporary lang sa, but it's very calming. It's very calm. May music sa silingan baling ko suga, but simple lang ni siya. Na siya trapal. For now, wala pa gid ni klaro tanan, but everything is work in progress. We're doing things little by little. And then, wala pa gid ni siya nahuman. Basta mong house, wala pa nahuman among house. Ano ako mga flower, guys. Wala pa na siya nahuman. And then, I have my bird's nest. Hi, bird's nest. Wala, uy, pretty kaayo. Marag ako. Joke lang, guys. Naido yan diha. Manglimpyo pa ko karon, guys. Manglimpyo pa ko. I have so many things to do. And then, this is very nice. Orlando. Hala, na siya yung new leaf. I'm so excited for my garden here. Okay, kani hinatag ni sa akong sister-in-law. That's pretty. And then all of them are just given to me. This is from Cebu. I bought it here. Oh no, it's sick. And then this one, this little beauty here. And this. So muna akong mga new plants today as that moment. But still work in progress. So may mga daghang mo agi din magmotor. And then there, so that's a garage. Still work in progress. Our balcony. Yesterday somebody worked on the wiring upstairs, but it's just temporary. I just asked them to put lights and then some outlets for my internet. Lamig ko yung sun, guys. So from time to time, na may mga little updates. Nagpagama ko din ibutangan ng flowers, but patunganan lang na siya. And then I put a little one more steps here para mo siya layer. And then yesterday we did this. Hagod na siya mabuhi. And then my badyang there is already alive. Siargao vibes. Tugan kay badyang. When we went to Siargao, there's a lot of green plants, and I'm so inspired to like make my own tropical garden here in my property because it's very good in the eyes. Kanaan na si Elmer, nagdala na siya karne. Kay magsugba mi here. It's the best. Best. Karne. Tour. Tor. Hello, Tor. Hello, Ming. Miming. Hello, Miming. Ano naman ka? Unsay mong problema, Miming? Nagyaw-yaw na pud ni siya. Ming. Miming. 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 Hehehe. Wah. Miming. Panghugas og kamot para ready na sa bullfight. Then na siya baga, guys. Damit yung karne, price ko kayo. Karon pa ni siya giihaw. Na fresh kaayo. Yun, ani ni sa province, guys. Pag may mag-ihaw. Yan, akong earring diri. Saan ni siya? Chinix! Chinix! Mimer! Mimer! Makalingaw kayo din, guys. Ang ani lang among life din, very simple, very humble. We're just happy. Ang mga animals, ang banding pag-appeal. Cute ko sila. Sila mga amaw. What you got? Love of my life. What's that?
Rice.
You got rice? Let me check on your rice. Wala lang ginigil tubo kayo. Oh, perfect rice. Perfect na kayo kung sino pa, guys. Aso-aso na din siya. Is harder naman na palit ang grill station. Kaya food, it's decent. Sige na, may sugba din he. Ah, tanawan na niya sa store, guys. Dinhi po siya nag-hangout niya. Mga earring ka, dinhi po nag-hangout. Abi ka namin din he. It's our life here in the Bukid. Cute ka ng earring. A black cat. And a black dog. And we have black chickens. Ako mga tanom, guys. Uy, naman si San Pedro. Sagdan na naman na siya para... Thor! 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 No, no! 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 Thor! No, no! Natay sili, lab. Hey, the night! Pero lang inanak ang dili burnt. Mara siya. Nag-cook siya. Na-flip. Mga og sili, guys. May mga sili doon rin nagtago-tago. Halang nga ba ni siya kay small. Tada! I have sili now.
It's still red.
Ready for this time. Can you flip that one?
This one? I just flipped it.
Oh, you
But
just
it's
flipped
red on this one.
Oh,
I just flipped it.
alright. That's fine. Kaya wala na siya na.
Okay.
Wala na siya na kalitan ba.
Huh?
I put it there when the fire is still low. So it's been steaming.
Yeah. Low and slow. That's right. That's it. I don't want to waste.
Ako sang i-check ning mga earring. Patay gid sila. Shh! Hoy! Naunsa mo? Naunsa ka? Naunsa ka? Ha? Naunsa ka? Naunsa ka? Mama? Mama? Yes, Elmer, guys. Shh. Hindi, natingog din. Luto na mo sinugba.
Alright.
Ready na ang iro. Ito. Ready na ang earring. Meng! Meng! Shh. Psst. Ala, kagwapo.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Ang salab?
Just for show, don't pour.
Nilog ko, guys, para limpyo ng ating duyan din. Oh shit. Tor. Magduyan ka, Tor. Hi, dog. You're very good, dog. Butan kayo ng store, guys. Katol. Ligo niya ta, ha. Magtiwas ko pa ninyo, guys. So here, so this is only walang sa inyong update today, guys. See you soon in my next vlog.